About DC load line and bias point. First we have to know about linear region. If a transistor works well in an active region, then it is called linear region. And then we have the output characteristics of an transistor. The output characteristics are drawn between the collector current IC and the collector voltage VCE for different values of base current IB. These considered here for the different input values to obtain different output values. Here we have the different input curves IB1, IB2, IB3 and IB4. And then we go for the operating point. From the diagram, we have IC in y-axis and VCE in x-axis. IC is nothing but saturation point and VCE is nothing but cutoff point. A line which connects the saturation and cutoff point is called as load line. Here we have the line A and B. And now it's A and B is the load line. This line drawn over the output characteristic curves makes the contact at the point called as operating point. The operating point is also called as Poincare point or simply Q point. Here we have the Q point. And then we go for the DC load line. When the transistor is given the bias and no signal applied its input, the load line drawn at such condition can be understood as DC condition. The value of collector emitter voltage at any given time will be VCE collector emitter voltage. This must be, to find the collector emitter voltage, we should subtract voltage drop from input voltage. As VCC and RC are fixed values, the above one is first degree equation, hence will be a straight line on the output characteristics. To obtain A point, we should do this equation, and then to obtain B point, we should go for this equation by using this diagram. Hence we got the both saturation and cutoff point. Determine and learn that the load line is straight line, so DC load line can be drawn. The importance of this operating point is further understood when an AC signal is given at the input. This will be discussed in amplifiers. Thank you.